We just started, yeah, our journey to Mount Opao. Yeah, this way. Just be careful kasi yung daanan natin may mga part na maraming bato. Talagang literal na rocky road. It's good if you have sungkod. This is very good. Or at least something that, could help you lift your weight. Our dialect, we call it mahagal. Can we have 1 minute break? Just 1 minute. Okay, or 30 seconds will do. Thank you. Nami isang view nyo dyan. Yeah. Like pilgrimage, going to Mount Opao. See? You can see the view. It's really beautiful. Ayan. Overlooking view. Pila pa ka minutes or oras? Yeah, time it's 5:54. Yeah. It's a very good adventure po. It needs endurance, determination, and patience po doing this activity. It needs a lot of energy. We used to eat this one. It has no fruit. Hi. Wow. Wow, it's really beautiful. Look at that view. Yan po. Yan ang taas bukid or the Mount of Makatunaw, part of Concepcion. That one, yeah, the small part there, over there. Yeah. Na may mayroong mga pump boat. Diyan yung sa amin. Tingnan nyo ha, mga kaibigan ha, kung gaano kalayo yung tinahak na namin from there until here. And you're gonna love, the view. That one is Estancia. Still join us in our adventure. This is actually my first time to be in Mount Opao. Yeah, I was born in this. Ironically, it's my first time.